Hi there. Today, we're going to run through how to set up your first campaign on Iris. First, you'll need to log into Iris. Once you've logged in, you'll see this screen. To access the Campaigns app, you'll need to click the Marketplace tab, then click Apps. Once the Apps view has loaded, you'll want to click the Campaigns app under My Active Apps. You're now inside the Campaigns app. This is where you'll do all of the configuration and setup for your campaigns. Let's create our first campaign. Let's call this our first campaign. I'll choose Sydney as my time zone. I'll choose the start a couple of days ago and the end in a couple of weeks. The time zone and the start date and end date are important. Those are the times that Iris will be watching for events that come through. Events received outside those times will be ignored. I'll then choose my Twitter account. I've now created the first campaign, our first campaign. When you create your campaign, you'll see the checklist view. The checklist view displayed here will show you that you need to select a Twitter handle. You need to make sure the account is verified. You need to make sure the dialogue is running. You need to make sure you have trigger tweets and you have auto replies. Let's have a quick look at the details for this campaign. First, you can see the audience information. The audience information is all of the users that have engaged with your campaign. When a user engages with your campaign through action on a trigger tweet, they'll be added to the audience count. If the user uses your opt-out mechanism to unsubscribe, they'll be moved from the audience count to the unsubscribe count. You can use this to check and see how many users are unsubscribing for your campaign and how your campaign is going. There's also a status view that will show you the status of your campaign. You can see here your dialogue status, your environment status, your campaign status, and the account verification status. The campaign status is currently incomplete, but we'll make it complete as we go through the next couple of tutorials. You can also see the details of your campaign, so you can update the start date, end date time, the account, the time zone, and name. You can also conclude your campaign once the end date has passed. This will archive the campaign,